them! Yes, immediately! Okay, here's the chalk. Woo!
Wow!
And this is it. It's a force field to keep things out. See? No, they have to be super thick, Bingo. Super thick. This is the forever castle, remember? I'm drawing the castle, and these green lines are crocodile water. Don't fall in. Watch out.
Wow, that's amazing! Is the crocodile water safe to step on?
And the password is... banana fritters! Almost done, gotta finish the king's tower. It needs to touch the clouds. Hurry, hurry, before lunch. Okay, one more flag, done. Now we go. Look, the cloud is moving closer. Look up. It looks like a big eraser.
It does!
Must finish. Almost done. Can't look. Just a few more windows. Oh, did anyone else feel the sky spitting? No, the castle! It needs me! The water! Oh no! Don't worry, we'll keep it safe. Just hold on. Dad, the colors are running away! Bring the umbrella! Dad, hurry!
Daddy, the water is going to get the crocodiles.
Don't worry, sweetie, we've got you.
We have to be careful.
All our hard work just washing away. It's a big mess. Ooh, wow. Look, it's turning turquoise.
You see? It's not gone, Bingo. It's just changing shape into something new.
Wow, look at the colors. It's like a rainbow river.
Look, Bingo, the river is going to the ocean to meet mermaids. Wow! Let's go, Bluey!
I am a river dolphin. Look at my stripe.
Look, Bingo, magic whiskers.
Wow, they're so cool, Bluey. Now you can breathe underwater with me.
Help, I'm stuck in the current.
We'll save you. We're dolphins.
Oh, thank you.
You did it.
Yeah, we did.
If things lasted forever, sweetie, we couldn't draw anything new tomorrow.
Oh, look, the sun's back. Wow, it's so beautiful. Wow, look at that rainbow. It's so bright. Do you think our chalk flew up to the sky? Maybe it did. It's beautiful. Look, Mom. We're not just dogs anymore. We're art. All right, you little artists. Who wants a warm hose shower to clean this masterpiece? Me, I do.
Woohoo! Let's go. Yeah! This is amazing. Look at us. We're covered.
We're snowy ghosts.
Look at us.
What was that? Did you hear that? Yeah. Did it stop?
Okay, got it. Look, snacks.
Yay!
Race you to the fence.
You're on.
Boeing! 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 Look at me! Higher! We're flying! it comes again! Whoa! That was close! Wahoo! Catch me if you can. Oh, I did it! Look! Look! It's so pretty! Wow! Look at it! It landed on you, Bluey. It did! Look! Look at that one! Wow, it's so bright! Look at the flowers! We're almost home! I'm cold! Me too!
Oh no! Oh! What do we do? Looks like we made a big mess.
Want to play in it?
Oh no, it's turning into dough! Look what we did! It's everywhere! We made it worse! I give up!
Okay, puppies, who wants a treat? Me, 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 me.
Pick me?
Pick me, pick me.
Hi there! Hello!
Hello. I love bath time. Look at the bubbles.
Wow, that one's huge!
Let me get it.
Careful!
And then the ball rolled all the way under the sofa.
That's so funny! Tell me another one! I am a frozen icicle. I need to defrost right now.
Me too. I'm so cold. Let's snuggle.
Yum! Yum! Now I am warm on the inside too!
It tastes like clouds!
The rain is still erasing the world outside. It's all gray.
But we can't draw inside. Mom says no chalk on the carpet.
Yeah! Gotcha! Oh no! Wait! I missed it! It's too fast!
The castle is gone, Shadow King!
But we can build a new one.
We need soft bricks. The cushions are the bricks. Oh, yeah!
Timber! The tower is too squishy! It's falling!
We need a strong foundation. Use the encyclopedia.
Welcome to the Pillow Palace of Fluffiness.
Do you think the rain monsters can get us in here?
I don't know, Bingo. Let's not find out. Get up!
Yeah! No! The walls are made of comfort. Nothing bad can enter.
Run!
It's the gigantic tickle monster! Escape! Stop! The floor! God, it's turning red! Don't touch it! Don't touch it!
The floor is LAVA.
Get to high ground!
Get to high ground.
Eep! My toes are getting toasty! Help me!
Ouch! Hot, hot, hot! The monster is burning!
You look so silly, Dad!
Follow me. Jump on the safety rocks. Quickly!
I can't make it! The lava is bubbling too high! Help me! Whoa! No!
Tell my story. Oi, the tickle monster is toast!
Oh no! Daddy's gone!
Ooh, he had it, mate man.
Mad
magic ice spell.
Freeze the lava!
Whoa, it worked.
Whoosh! Oh, now it's an ice skating rink. Yeah! Yeah? Well, volcanoes usually require a pillow fight cleanup.
Yeah!
Take that! Fluff attack! Everyone help! Being a lava survivor makes you sleepy.
Good job. The city is safe and clean. Yeah. It's safe and clean now.
Up the mountain to the sleeping cave. Look! The rain didn't destroy it. It just sent it to dreamland.
Hello! Hello! Welcome to the Sky Kingdom!